Hello everyone, I'm Violet, and I have a sticker shop on Etsy. And in today's video, I'll be walking you through my whole process from start to finish on how I make stickers. First, we'll sketch out our design. I'm using my Canson XL Mixed Media Sketchbook for this, but you can really use any type of paper you'd like, and you can even do it digitally, anything that you're comfortable with. I just prefer using this because I just like sketching traditionally, and then I scan it in or take a photo of my paper and bring it into Photoshop. Since I will be making a sticker sheet instead of individual stickers, I plan to make plenty of different designs so I can fit as much as possible on it. Now that the sketches are done, let's finalize them digitally. For my digital art, I use my Wacom Cintiq and Photoshop. I'm using a pre-made template that I made that is a 4x6 sticker sheet, so I can draw right on it and have reference of how big the stickers will be. I also occasionally print out the artwork while I'm working on it, just to have a visual reference on how big the stickers are and how the colors look when printed. Now with the art complete, let's prepare it for the silhouette. Make sure that your stickers are arranged nicely on the sticker sheet and fill in as much space as possible. I first select all of the layers that will be stickers by command clicking on them. This can be made easier if you duplicate and flatten the sticker layers. Just make sure you keep the original layers. After that, go to Select, Modify, Expand, and expand your selection by 15 pixels. Make sure to fix up your selection by filling in any holes or weird gaps. With your selection still made, go to Select, Modify, Smooth, and make your sample radius 10 pixels. Create a new layer and fill your selection with black. This is your cut area. Name this layer Kiss Cut. Kiss Cut is when the blade only partially cuts through the paper, whereas Cut Through is when the blade cuts all the way through the piece of paper. Duplicate all of your layers that will be printed and flatten them. Name this layer Print. After saving my document, I open another template I made and I drag the Print, Kiss Cut, and Cut Through layers onto it. The Cut Through layer is the outline of the sticker sheet. I then duplicate all 3 layers and move them to the right. I make sure to fill the excess space with freebie stickers and do the same process as I did with the sticker sheets, this time naming the outline layer Cut Through. Next, I combine all print layers into one layer, all kiss cut layers into one layer, and all cut through layers into one layer. This will leave you with 3 layers plus the background. I then make 3 new documents, one for each layer. I then rotate the documents 90 degrees counterclockwise, flatten them, and save them as JPEGs. Now we're ready to bring it into the Silhouette software. I use the Silhouette Cameo 2 to cut my stickers. It comes with a software that has many features, but I use it very minimally. I'm more comfortable with Photoshop, so I try to do most of my work on there. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can always use the Silhouette software to make your own designs. The very first thing I do is I go to File, Save As, and select Save to Hard Drive, and I save my document to the appropriate folder. Then, I drag my print JPEG onto the Silhouette artboard. It'll be really large, so I select the art with the selection tool and scale it down to 8.5 by 11. You may need to hold down Shift while scaling down the JPEG. Position it in the upper left corner of the artboard, then do the same with the Kiss Cut JPEG. Once it's all in place, select the trace icon. In the trace window, Click on the Select Trace Area button and drag a selection over all of the black items. Everything will turn yellow. Select the Trace button. Click on the KissCut JPEG and delete it. Now, all the shapes will be outlined in red. The red lines will be KissCut. Do the same process with the cut-through file. I like to select the cut-through lines and make them blue. The blue lines will be cut through. Next, I select the page setup icon. I make sure my settings match my cut mat size and my page size. Now it's time to set up the registration marks. In the page setup window, select the registration marks icon. Check the On box. Open the Advanced Options drop-down menu. These are the settings that I use. Now we're going to save it as a PDF to print. Click on the printer icon in the upper left corner. Make sure your print preset is on high quality or whatever is the best print quality for your printer. Now I go to the drop-down menu in the lower left corner and select Save as Adobe PDF. In the next window, I choose the options High Quality Print and Launch Nothing. Click Continue. Then I name my PDF and save it to the appropriate folder. Now let's print our stickers. But first, let's talk about paper. I use this matte sticker paper from Sheet Labels. It's not waterproof, but there are other options as well on the website. This vinyl paper, on the other hand, I use for my individual stickers, and it's waterproof. Now I open my PDF in Preview and select the highest quality. I use my Epson EcoTank 7750 to print my sticker sheets. Once they're done printing, they're all ready to cut. For cutting my stickers, I use the Silhouette Cameo 2. There are newer versions of the Silhouette, but mine still works great. After connecting the Silhouette to my computer, I place the sticker sheet on the cut mat like so. Then I load it into the Silhouette, matching it up with the blue line, and I press the Load Cut Mat button. Now that that's all ready, I go back to the Silhouette software and select the Send option. Once I'm on this screen, I click on the Line button. Select the material you're using here. I select the cardstock adhesive backed for my matte stickers. Then I click on the red square. These are my KissCut settings, and these are the settings I use, but they may differ depending on your blade sharpness and paper type. After that, I select the blue square, which is my cut-through settings. This is what I put in, but again, it may differ for you. Now that my settings are all ready, I click on the blue Send button and watch my stickers get cut out. Once the stickers are done cutting, I press Unload on the Silhouette and start the most satisfying part, peeling the stickers. And that's it! Now you can enjoy your handmade stickers. I hope you found this video informative. If you'd like to see more videos of how I run my Etsy shop, for instance how I photograph and list my products or my packaging and shipping process, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, my Etsy shop is linked in the description down below if you're interested, as well as all of the supplies that are used in this video. And if you do make your own sticker sheet, tag me on Instagram at ultravioletjane. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!